Wow. It is totally all about connecting those invisible dots with systems thinking. There are three important things: the environment, the people, and the technology. In Africa, we know that lithium is abundant, and the Sahara Desert is prime for providing ample amounts of solar energy to the world. The combination of this with quantum physics and quantum computing, as well as talent ID, will create those solutions we're looking for. Just like Shiva from India, who created email at 14 years of age. Africa's truly most precious, untapped resource lies in children with a burning vision that need only be lit up, creating exponential growth in our energy industry. Our people are our future, and the future starts now.